You're watching Telecom TV from Mobile World Congress 2016 in Barcelona. And I'm joined now by Nachman Shelef, who is Vice President and General Manager of HPE-ConteXtream at Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Nachman, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
Could I ask you about NFV and SDN, and how are these technologies transforming the way that communication service providers operate?
So, both NFV and SDN working together help CSPs transform the way they operate by transitioning to what we call the telco cloud. Now, the telco cloud is based on a programmable infrastructure with automated operations and applications that are personalized and on demand. The programmable infrastructure provides the agility, the automated operations provides the efficiency, and that enables creating applications by leveraging innovation to provide the expected personalized and on-demand services.
So how does SDN enhance NFV deployments?
That's a great question. SDN's role in enhancing NFV and the virtualization of the network comes in by providing the dynamic networking that's needed for comprehensive solutions. Now, the dynamic networking provided by SDN includes functions such as scalability, distribution, high availability, service function chaining, subscriber awareness. In many network functions today, those kind of common dynamic networking functions need to be implemented in each one of the network functions. What SDN enables is to take all those common functions from the network functions and put them in the infrastructure, so each network function can be much more simple and be focused on the unique value that that function provides instead of all the common dynamic networking functions.
Oh, I see. So as an industry though, where are we at with NFV and SDN integration?
So NFV and SDN integration is moving along at a pace that probably most of the industry would like to see accelerated, both the customers and the vendors. At Hewlett Packard Enterprise, we are contributing to the acceleration of that integration process by doing a number of things. The first is we are integrating SDN into the NFV infrastructure itself by using standard and open source interfaces, so there's no lock-in. The second thing that we're doing is we're creating reference solution blueprints to enable faster implementations of solutions. And the third thing that we're doing is we put together a whole ecosystem of network function partners, our open NFV partnership program, where we qualify VNFs. We create a catalog of all those qualified VNFs, and so that the CSPs have a central place where they can go to when looking for qualified solutions.
Final question for you. What would you say are some of the largest opportunities that are presented by NFV and SDN?
So there are many opportunities for SDN and NFV, given that the whole networking industry is going through this transformation. However, some of the bigger opportunities are around the mobile space, and being here in MWC, this is a good time to name a few of them. One is just dealing with existing 4G network scalability. There's significant pressure on mobile networks given the increasing data usage, and one way that SDN NFV can be used is to enhance the performance of EPC, of the packet core, by doing what's now called the split EPC. So scaling up the data plane for video service, things like that, without having to change the control plane, for instance. So EPC is one area, mobile core. The other, which is tied to that, is the whole area of transitioning to the 5G network. So the mobile carriers are looking at 5G. I think it's pretty well understood in the industry that 5G solutions will be based almost entirely, if not entirely, on SDN NFV type of solutions. So now that changes the way the industry thinks about any enhancements to existing mobile solutions. So 5G is probably another big opportunity. On the wireline side, then virtualizing CPEs to simplify that part of the network is an immediate opportunity and a big one. And something that goes along with that, which is software-defined VPN. So enterprise services for virtual private networks, but simplified based on SDN and NFV technologies.
Fascinating. Nachman, thank you very much indeed.
You're quite welcome. It was a pleasure.